Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video we are going to see which courses and which certification you have to complete as per your stack. So let's get started. So we are on the home page of Infosys Springboard. First you have to click on this banner, Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7. Okay, after clicking on that, so now we will see according to stack which courses you have to complete. So first we will see about artificial intelligence. So basically you have to click on your chosen stack. I have clicked on artificial intelligence. Now we will see which courses you have to complete, and main thing, you have to complete all these courses and certification. So first is you have to complete introduction to data science, then introduction to natural language processing, then introduction to artificial intelligence, introduction to deep learning, computer vision 101, introduction to robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, introduction to OpenAI GPT models, OpenAI generative pre-trained transformer 3, GPT-3 for developers, then generative models for developers, then there are deep learning for developers, then agile scrum in practice, principle of generative AI certification, and then artificial intelligence, generative AI unleashing prompt engineering. So this much courses and certification is this principle of generative AI, and then one more certification is there, that is artificial intelligence prime certification. You have to complete for AI, and this is for like AI. And how to enroll in the course, like you have to just click on your course, like see, you have to click on this course, introduction to data science, and you have to complete this all the course like 100%. After that, remaining all the courses and certification you have to complete for artificial intelligence. Like you can see all these courses and two certification you have to complete. Now we will see for the Angular full stack. So for Angular full stack we have to complete this Angular CSS3 TypeScript, creating responsive web pages using Bootstrap 4, JavaScript, HTML5 the language, Twitter Bootstrap, Agile Scrum in practice. Then wait a second. So Angular web developer certification you have to complete, then website creation and user experience, and this much of courses and one certification, that is Angular web developer, you have to complete for Angular if you have chosen Angular full stack. Now we will see for Python technology stack. So for Python technology stack you have to complete programming fundamentals using Python part 1, programming fundamental using Python part 2, and then you have to complete object oriented programming using Python, database management system part 1, database management system part 2, then introduction to NoSQL database, software engineering and agile software development, then Python foundation certification, agile scrum in practice, basics of Python. So this much of courses and one certification you have to complete for Python for getting selected. Then Java technology stack, for Java you have to complete like programming using Java, database management system part 1, database management system part 2, introduction to NoSQL database, software engineering and agile software development, then Java foundation certification, agile scrum in practice, data structure and algorithm using Java. This much of courses and one certification you have to complete for the Java. Then for data visualization you have to complete like introduction to business intelligence, multidimensional data modeling, introduction to initiative relationship, learning Microsoft Power BI, hands-on data visualization with Microsoft Power BI, then Power BI for business, agile scrum in practice, software engineering and agile software development, then Tech A data analytics using Power BI foundation certification, Excel, data science, cloud technologies, and then big data. This much of courses and one certification, that is Tech A data analytics using Power BI foundation certification. So this much of courses you have to complete for data visualization. All these courses and one certification is mandatory to complete. If you have any query you can comment down. Thanks for watching the video.